Hi, my name is LucyWang. I'm a junior at Stanford majoring in computer science, and today I'll be talking about GoldieBlox and the debate of whether gendered or gender-neutral toys are better at teaching engineering skills. Today, only 13% of engineers are women, and research shows that girls start losing interest in middle school. Debbie Sterling created GoldieBlox to change this. GoldieBlox is a construction set plus book series that teaches engineering skills. Each book teaches a specific engineering concept. The methods of sex and gender analysis used to design GoldieBlox were analyzing how sex and gender interact, analyzing gender, and participatory research. From her research on cognitive sex differences, Sterling learned that girls have an advantage in verbal skills, and boys have an advantage in spatial skills. By analyzing gender, Sterling learned that girls and boys play differently. From the time she spent with families observing how boys and girls played, Sterling found that with construction toys, girls were asking, "Why are we building it?" With this insight, Sterling scrapped the instruction manual and wrote stories about a girl engineer who builds things to help her friends. By combining a storybook with a building set, Sterling used girls' love of reading to teach them spatial skills. Sterling conducted user testing with young girls and determined that girls prefer cute and funny characters, soft structures, and ribbon. Sterling initially thought girls would be opposed to ribbon, but user testing proved her wrong, which shows the importance of participatory research. So the gendered innovation here is that GoldieBlox draws on girls' strong reading skills and their love for narratives to teach them engineering skills. However, some argue, why make science and engineering toys girly at all? Why not just make them all gender neutral? GoldieBlox's first product, GoldieBlox and the Spinning Machine, is about a girl who loves to build things and creates a belt drive for her friends. Goldie fits neither the born genius stereotype nor the antisocial girl with glasses stereotype. So the first GoldieBlox set is successful at breaking down gender stereotypes. However, the second GoldieBlox product, GoldieBlox and the Parade Float, is more problematic. The narrative focuses on a princess in a beauty pageant, which caused a huge backlash. Part of GoldieBlox's mission is to show girls that they can be more than just princesses. So the decision to make a plot involving princesses received fire from critics. Some argue that when we use princess culture, pinkification, and beauty norms to sell STEM toys to girls, we continue to sell our girls short. So the problem is the gendered toy paradigm that exists in the US. The US toy industry is dichotomous, as in the majority of toys are marketed towards girls or boys in stereotypical ways. Furthermore, parents are more likely to buy gender stereotypical toys than gender-neutral toys for their children. Gender toys sell, so from a business standpoint, toy companies must make gender-specific toys in order to compete with other toys. So, in order to make an impact on the STEM gender gap, Sterling must first break into the marketplace, and she does this by making GoldieBlox gendered. So, is GoldieBlox successful at breaking down gender stereotypes? I think yes, GoldieBlox is successful at getting more girls interested in engineering and broadens their view of what they can grow up to be. It works within the gender toy paradigm to disrupt the pink aisle. The question that still remains is, are gender-neutral toys better at teaching engineering skills? Studies have shown that neutral toys are best for stimulating cognitive ability. Furthermore, while both boys and girls tend to gravitate towards flashy, gendered construction sets, they play longer and more creatively with plain, gender-neutral construction sets. Therefore, gender-neutral toys, like Kinects, are better at teaching engineering skills. Furthermore, studies have shown that when given the option of playing with male stereotype toys, female stereotype toys, or gender-neutral toys, girls prefer gender-neutral toys. Thus, in conclusion, GoldieBlox is a gendered innovation because it draws on girls' strong reading skills and their love for narratives to teach them engineering skills. GoldieBlox works within the gender toy paradigm to break down gender stereotypes. However, gender-neutral toys are better at teaching engineering skills to children. Parents in the toy industry perpetuate the purchase of gender stereotypical toys. Therefore, while GoldieBlox is a step in the right direction, an even better gendered innovation would be getting parents to buy more gender-neutral or gender-bending toys and getting toy companies to stop advertising in gender stereotypical ways.